Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ah,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
sorry.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sorry.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear children. And
A small mock test.
sorry.
Is there a mock test?
No, today no mock test. Let your all the tests over. After that, I will take other tests. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am going to start third chapter, numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Second chapter, practice question is there and textbook problems are there. That we will do later. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Number chapter. Last 2 years you are studying numbers. Till which place value you have studied numbers? Once you have studied tens and hundreds.
Hundreds.
3-digit numbers. Still 3-digit numbers you have learned. This year you are going to study 4-digit numbers. Okay. One more place value you are going to study. And we can revise. First we can revise the last 2 years, what all things you have learned. That just we can revise. Okay. Place values. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, we can start. I'll show you some pictures. Okay.
Textbook or notebook?
No, you don't want to open any book now. Clear all the books. Fold your hands and listen.
Ma'am, textbook or notebook?
Nothing you have to take now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Fold your hands and sit and listen.
I want to take the book. Ma'am. No. Good morning, ma'am. Unmute yourself.
I am muted for a purpose. Okay. Now I am going to mute you all because I am going to show some pictures. So if it is adjusting there, it will be okay. Ah, yes, I used to adjust. No, that thing, that handle like. No. Up. The other, okay. Little more. Okay. Now it's okay. Dear children, you have learned in this picture, you can see here how many blocks are there? Dear children, here how many blocks are there? 10. Here 10 blocks are there. Yes. 10 1 blocks are there. That means 10 ones.
10 ones.
Here together a single block. In this block, how many cuboids you can see? 10. So you have learned 10 ones equal to
10 ones equal to 100.
110. 10 ones equal to
100.
110. After that, 2 tens equal to how much, dear children? 2 tens? 2 tens.
20.
Ivana, 2 tens equal to how much?
20.
20. 3 tens?
30.
30. So, dear children, 3 tens? 3 tens?
30.
30. 4 tens?
40.
40. 5 tens?
50.
50. 6 tens?
60.
7 tens?
70.
70. 8 tens?
80.
9 tens?
90.
90. 10 tens?
100.
100.
100.
10 tens?
100.
I'll show you that picture. 10 tens equal to 100.
100.
Yes.
Hundreds.
See?
Hundreds.
Here, dear children, some green. Yeta, can you see the screen properly?
Yes.
Here, in each bundle, you can see 10 blocks. If you are counting, you can see here 10 blocks, here 10 blocks, here 10 blocks, like that. 10
Yeah, that's true.
10 bundles are there. Okay.
Yes.
10 is talking about the.
Yes.
Do I want to mute you all?
No.
So 10 tens you can see over here. 10 tens equal to how much, dear children?
20.
Together how many will be there here? 100. 100. This is the single bundle of 100.
100.
So 10 tens equal to 100. This we have learned last year. And we have studied 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 900s. Then 10 what you will say? 10 hundreds. 1000. I'll show you one image.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Here you can see.
I cannot see, ma'am. I
Maybe
can
your
see.
network is slow here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I can
Now,
see.
I think it's okay.
The
The left side you can see. Here you can see. Here you can see.
1, 2, 3.
You can see 10 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bundles of 100 blocks. That means 10 hundreds equal to how much? One single bundle of thousands. So 10 hundreds equal to 1,000. 10 hundreds equal to 1,000. Dear children, when we write 1,000, there will be 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits. And we have learned place values, ones, tens, then hundreds. Next, what place value will come, dear children? Sorry? Thousands. Thousands. Okay. So if it is a 4-digit number, the place value will be starting with a thousands.
1,000.
Okay.
1,000.
For denoting one, which letter we will use, dear children?
What?
For ones, we will write.
1.
Sorry?
1,000.
No. For ones, which letter we will use after the?
1.
For ones, which letter we will use?
1. Oh.
Oh, yes, very good.
Oh.
Adit, for tens, what letter you want to use?
Oh.
To denote tens, what letter you want to use? To denote tens, for tens, which letter we will use?
P.
T. Let Adit answer. Again, I am going to mute you all.
No.
Then, for Rajan, for hundreds, which letter? Oh, hundreds. For hundreds, which letter you want to use?
H.
H. Very good. Like that, dear children. For thousands, you have to use capital letter T and small letter H.
H.
Okay. So for a 4-digit number, very good, Rajan, very good, Adit, very good, Ashwati. So dear children, to denote these numbers in the place value chart, you have to, 4-digit numbers in the place value chart, you have to use the place values, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. Now we can see some numbers and we can denote them in the, present them in the place value chart. And we can read that numbers. Okay. Now, one I will show you. After that, I will be asking questions to you. Okay, dear children? Okay, dear children? Rajan, sit properly. Now, no need to do anything. No need to sharpen anything.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Now, you can see I have written a 4-digit number. Okay.
Yes.
First, we have to, Ashwati, where are you?
I went to sharpen my pencil.
No need to write anything, dear children. Keep your pencil down, fold your hands. Okay, very good, very good. Very good. Now, dear children, you can see a 4-digit number over there. First, we have to read this number or we have to write the number name of this number. Dear children, when you want to write number name or when you want to write the expanded form, whatever it may be, you have to first represent this number in the place value chart. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you understood?
Yes.
What is place value chart? As it is a 4-digit number, we have to start our place value from 1000.
1000.
So you can write TH. For thousands, you can write TH.
TH.
TH, H, T, O. Yes. Then, wait. Savio.
Yes.
You read
Let
these.
Savio answer. Others should keep quiet. Okay? Then only I will be asking questions to you. If you are shouting, I will stop asking questions. Savio,
Yes.
in this number, how many ones are there? Which digit I
2.
want to? Sorry?
8.
8. Yes. 8 ones. 8 ones. You have to start from the right side. 8 ones. Then, how many tens are there?
6.
6 tens. And
3.
how many hundreds?
3.
3 hundreds. Then, sorry? 2 thousands. Yes. Now we are going to Adit. Now we are going to read the number. Yes. Yes, Hari Govind. Help me to read this number. How we will read? 2. Sorry? 2. How many here? 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 6 tens, 8 1. So how we will start? Hari Govind.
Ma'am.
Your voice is not audible to me, dear. Louder, please.
368.
368.
Your answer not clear to me. Once more you repeat.
236.
Let Hari Govind say answer.
2368.
2368. Very good, Hari Govind. Because here 2000s are there. So 2000. Then next 300. So 300. Then 6 tens means 60. 8 ones means 8. Then 68. So 2368. This is the number, name of this number. Okay. Next question. I want answer from. Yes. Aishwarya. Unmute. Unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Oh, a minute. Yes. Okay. First, we can discuss the place value of these numbers. Aishwarya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many ones are there?
2.
2. Very good. How many tens are there? 4. Very good. How many hundreds are there?
8.
8. Very good. How many thousands are there?
5.
5. So how you will read this number? Start.
1,000.
How many thousand?
500.
5.
1,000.
5,000. Then.
42.
Sorry?
800.
5,800.
42.
42. 5,842. So dear children, 5,000. Thousand spelling all should write and study. THOUSAND. Thousand. 5,842. Very good. 42. Okay. Now, one more question we can do. One more question. Who will be the two? Devananda. Please unmute. Unmute. Wait, dear.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Unmuted. Okay. Dear, and thus, first we can write the place value table. Okay. Start. How many ones are there in this number?
2.
2. Yes. Then, how many tens are there?
1.
1. Then, next, 300s and
7.
7,000s are there. Then start reading.
700 and
Sorry.
7.
7.
7,000.
Yes, 7,000. Okay.
And
Sorry.
300.
300. Okay.
12.
312. Very good. Very good, dear. 12. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Next, dear children, we are going to learn how we will write if a number is given in or a number name is given or number is given in words. How we will write in numbers or in numeral. Okay. Now I am going to write one number. 1,000. 1,000. 500. 500. 1,567. To find out the numerals also, you have to use the place value table. Then only it will be correct. So as it starts from 1,000, we have to start our place value table from 1,000. THHTO. Dear children, you can see. Dear children, how many thousands are there here? How many thousands? Children? 1,000. So you can write here 1,000. Then next, how many hundreds?
5.
5. So under H you can write 5.
500.
Then
60
means how many tens?
6.
6. So you can write 6 under T. Then how many ones are there? 7.
In the workbook.
No, you don't want to do anything now, dear children. Please pay attention. Okay.
Yes.
So the number is 1,567.
1,567.
67. Now we got the correct numeral.
67.
I'll be asking to you. Next question, Evelyn should say answer. Okay? Are you ready? Unmute. Okay. 3,000. 500. 551. 3,551.
61.
Then what I want to do, Evelyn?
Ma'am, you
Ah.
want to do TH.
So, place value chart I want to.
1,500.
THHTO. Then here, for how many thousands are there here?
3,000.
3,000. Then how many hundreds are there? Only Evelyn want to say answer.
500.
500.
Only Evelyn. Others can keep quiet. Hundreds. How many hundreds are there here?
500.
Oh, yes. 500s. Then how
5.
many tens are there?
5.
50 means 5. 10.
Ma'am,
51 means
Ma'am, 1.
1. Yes.
1 1.
Yes. So you got the numeral 3,551. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, dear children, for this is the way you have to find out the numeral. One more question is there. Amna, you unmute. Amna, unmute. Okay. Next number is 9,000. 9,700. 9,738.
33.
38. Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many thousands are there in this number?
9,000.
9,000. So under TH you have to write 9. Then
700.
how many?
700.
Wait. How many hundreds are there?
7.
700s are there. So you have to write under H you want to write 7. Then how many tens are there?
30.
30 means how many tens?
3.
3 tens. So you want to write 3 under tens. And how many ones are there?
8.
8. So we got the numeral 9,738.
38.
Now, dear children,
9,738.
take your maths notebook. Everybody, I am going to give you 4 problems. Everybody take your maths notebook. Everybody take your maths notebook and take a new page and write chapter 3 numbers. Chapter 3 numbers. Chapter 3 numbers. You have to give the heading. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 numbers. And everybody write in words 2 questions. Who is talking Malayalam over there? Please don't talk Malayalam. to write in words. So first you have to represent this number in the place value chart, then start writing in words.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do we have to write the number and then we have to start?
Yes, you have to give the heading first, chapter 3 numbers.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Uh,
Today daily test is there?
no, today no daily test.
Why?
After, dear, first let me take the chapter. After that only I can conduct. No, this is new chapter. How I will take daily tests?
Ma'am, I like daily test.
First you do this fast.
Ma'am, I forgot to bring my pencil.
You have to arrange all these things before the period starts. So dear children, start doing fast. Learn the spellings, okay? Hundreds, thousands. Dear children, have you all completed?
Yeah.
Finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, what I can do?
Let me see. Now anybody is there to complete?
Finish, ma'am. I completed.
Oh, Rajan completed.
Savio.
Who completed, raise your hands. Those who completed, raise your hands.
Ma'am, I not completed.
Savio complete fast.
Ma'am, I did not finish.
Okay.
I did not
Only two
finish.
numbers. Oh, Sia completed. Okay.
Ma'am, I did not complete.
Yes, complete fast. Complete. I'll give 1 more minute. Within that, you have to complete. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Wait.
I also completed.
Yes. Completed. Let others complete. First, you have to represent the numbers in the place value chart. Then you write the number name. THHTO. TH for 1000, H for hundreds, T for tens, O for ones. I hope you all have completed first question. Pius, have you completed?
No.
Pius Roni.
Ma'am, I don't have pencil. That's why I cannot.
Take one pencil and complete fast.
Ma'am, I want to go to room. I am in school. No.
You have to arrange all these things before the class, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Next time onwards, don't repeat it. You have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
keep your things
Ma'am, please.
before the
Ma'am,
period
please
starts.
send. Okay, ma'am. Please send in the WhatsApp. Okay, ma'am.
Why can't you take a pencil and start writing, dear?
Ma'am, my pencil is in my room.
Okay. Now, first question we are going to discuss. I hope
Okay.
first question everybody has completed. Now,
2,300.
Preet, unmute. Preet, first question have you completed?
2,375.
Wait, Preet. Okay. Now unmute.
Is it pencil?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
7.
Not completed?
Ma'am, I want to complete the notes you give before.
No need to write all those things. Only this one you have to copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Write in words. First question, have you completed? Yes or no?
Once.
Yes or no? Preet,
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
Ma'am,
Okay. Wait, I'll be asking to somebody else. No, dear children, no need to copy. Sia is ready to answer. Let's Sia answer. Sia, unmute. Yes.
2,300.
Don't say 2000 and 2000.
2,316.
16. Very good, Sia. Very good. So here 2000s are there, 300s are there, 110 is there, 61 is there. So you can read 2000, 300 and 16. Yes. Okay. Next question. Who has completed? All of you completed, dear children. Next question.
Yes.
Wait. Sia, okay. Sia, you got one chance, no? Let some other. Bhumi. Bhumi, unmute. Bhumi, unmute. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Will you give answer for the question B? What is the number name?
1,000.
Sorry?
6,000.
Yes. 6,000. Then
200.
6,000.
200.
200. Okay. 200. Then
75.
very good. And Bhumi. Bhumi.
And 75.
Yes. And 75. Very good. 6,275. Here 6,000s are there. You have to represent like this first and then you want to write. Dear children, how many of you got correct answer?
Complete.
Rajan, have you got correct answer? Yes. Okay. Savio. Then Amit, Zia. Amna, have you got correct answer? Those who got correct answer, raise your hands. Raise your hands. No, what happened? Where you made mistake? Have you got correct answer? No? Yes or no? Unmute. Have you got correct answer?
Yes.
Okay. Vaiga, you joined late, no? What happened? Network issue is there? Network issue is there, dear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, dear children, we are going to.
Mom, can I tell Vaiga?
Can I?
Mom, can I tell now?
Who?
Vaiga.
What do you want to tell? You can.
These numbers.
Okay. Do one thing, dear. This one, have you missed any? This one, have you done?
Yes.
Yes. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes. So next question I will be asking to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Dear children, after this, after these questions, one more question is there. You have to write in numeral.
Mom, can I tell Vaiga?
What do you want to tell, dear? Yes. Write in numerals. After these two questions, you have to copy, write in numerals. Dear children, if you can copy the number name very fast, you can copy. Otherwise, leave space for that and write the answer. Okay. Otherwise, you won't get time to find out the answer. So leave the space for writing question and write the answer. You can read the question from the screen and write the answer. If you can write fast, you can copy down the question also. Somebody's audio not muted. Sound is coming. Here also, to find out numeral, first you have to place the number in the place value chart. Have to find the digits first using the place value chart.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Dear children, please leave space to write question if it takes more time. Those who can write fast, they can copy down the question. Otherwise, leave space to write question and you can write the answer. Zia completed. Good, good.
Ma'am,
Savio also. Okay. Agnel, have you completed? Agnel Sunil, completed. Very good. 1 more minute left. Do fast.
ma'am, can you
Now, dear children, Agnel, wait, before that. Dear children, have you all completed? Show me a thumbs up if you have completed. First question, have you completed? Hari Govind? Devanda. Amna, have you completed? First question, have you completed? If you have completed, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Dara, have you completed? Yes. Nihara, completed? Yes, so show me a thumbs up if you have completed.
Ma'am?
Show me a thumbs up if you have completed. Do fast if you didn't complete. Okay. Now, dear children, now who will be?
Ma'am, I wake up.
Ishan, please unmute. Vaiga, I'll give you a chance for the next question. Let's. Ishan. This video also not on, I think. Zara. Zara Sargent, please unmute. Ishan. Okay, Zara, unmute. Zara, unmute. Dear. Zara, can you hear me? Unmute, dear. Now try to unmute. Try to unmute. Try to unmute. Zara. Try to unmute. Yes. Dear, will you find out the 1000 place digit in this number? What is the 1000 place digit? Zara? Zara, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the 1000 place digit for the first question?
Ma'am, it's not clear.
What not clear? Sorry?
Ma'am, it's not clear.
What not clear?
Net connection is gone.
Gone.
Voice, it's not clear.
Okay, wait.
Your
Wait,
song
wait,
is
wait.
gone very hardly.
You can see the screen properly. Dara, will you give the answer for me? Unmute. Unmute, dear. Try to unmute. Unmute. She is trying to unmute, but Vaiga, can you hear me?
Yes,
Will you give answer for the first question?
yes.
Yes. You
Ma'am,
can.
I can tell.
Sorry? How many thousands?
4,
4,000.
4,
How many hundreds?
4,000,
2 hundreds. And
2,
how many tens?
3,
3 tens.
3,
And
10,
how many ones?
3,
5,
How many ones?
5.
5. So 4,235. Dear children, I hope many have some network issue now. So I will be sending the last answer through WhatsApp. Check your answers.
clear.
Before that, you complete. Okay? Thank you, my dear children.
Audio is not clear.
Yes. So I will be sending the answers through WhatsApp. Thank you, my dear children.